Hello everyone, welcome to my review channel. So today we review the LaserJet Pro M15w, which HP says HP's smallest, most affordable LaserJet printer ever. Well, that's all fine and dandy, but let's see how well it actually performs. So we're going to test it out for you and give our final review. If you guys are interested, I will put a link where you guys can buy this and also the ink that it uses, because it doesn't use those standard little inky dinkies. Make sure you subscribe if this video you find helpful. You got some manuals in here. You got your cables in here. Alright, so it's definitely compact. Let's go ahead and remove. Okay, so you can go ahead and lift this up. So this is where the paper would go. Right in here. Paper goes in here. So this lifts up. Go ahead and take everything out. All the orange little tabs. So this actually pulls out. So we pull this out. This is the ink. Pop this off. Just like that. Pop off this tab here. Pull that out. Make sure there's no anywhere else. And it goes right back in, just like so. Let's make sure we don't miss anything. Okay. So that's all in. Push it down. Let's go ahead and check behind it, make sure there's no tabs we missed, and we are good to go. Alright, so let's go ahead and turn the USB on, and we are going to go ahead and power this on. Okay, it's setting up on desktop, so it should be in right. Once it says it's set up on our desktop, once the driver installs, we should be good to go. Let's go ahead and do a test print. Alright, so we got the LaserJet. It is showing up. We're going to print, and we selected print and it froze, so we'll just see what happens here. But for right now it actually froze. Okay, now it's working, so let's see what happens. Alright. Whoa. Holy cow. How can it print that fast? Alright, so this is what it printed all that quick. It's not quite even on the paper, it's a little sideways, but holy cow. How can it print that fast? That is amazing. So if you guys look down below it, we have our color printer. Now, I don't think this prints any color. I think you guys gotta keep that in mind. I think you can get it with color, but it's a lot more expensive. But holy, wow, that's pretty awesome, guys. It's clean. It's not blurry at all. Alright, I'm going to print out my tax documents. We got like 30 pages, so I'll get back to you guys. Alright, so one thing I'm noticing, it does take a little time when you press print. I don't want to show you guys this, my documents, but holy, look at this! Look! We're printing our documents right now. You guys, this is, look how fast it's printing. This is going to be 18 pages worth. Wow. So, yeah, when you first press print on the computer, it like freezes everything and it's delayed, but then it prints. I mean, this is crazy. Okay, I don't mean to be like so giddy over this. 18 pages in like 30 seconds. I'm not kidding. It would have taken this other printer down here, I don't know how long, and that printer probably would have jammed up twice. Wow. I mean, this is amazing. This is the best money I think I've ever spent on something for the office in my business. Seriously. I cannot, 10 out of 10. It gets a 10 out of 10 all day long. Subscribe. I'll keep you guys updated. Just amazing. Truly amazing. Just truly amazing. Linked in the video description if you guys are interested. Honestly, I think once you actually got this, you would be blown away. Keep in mind, this one is not color. This is just black. Hey guys, I wanted to stop and take a very quick break and ask if you guys could hit that like button on this video and also subscribe to my channel. That would mean a lot to me. It is very hard to grow these days, and if you could do that, that would mean so much to me. I really do appreciate it.